Happy Earth Day! We are coloring a picture of our beautiful planet today. It only needs 5 colors. Let's start with the largest part of the globe, the ocean. Find number 1. Number 1 is blue. Color all the surrounding water areas of the globe with blue. This makes up the biggest part of our planet. Time for the land. Find number 2 for green. We'll color all the continents and land masses with green to show the forests and parks. Spell forest with me. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Now for the color of the sky. Find number 3 for yellow. Fill in all the remaining background space around the planet with yellow to make it look bright and sunny. Let's show some love for our Earth. Find number 4 for pink. And now, number 5 for red. Fill in the little heart floating over the globe. Amazing work! Our Earth Day picture is complete. Look how colorful and full of love our planet looks. Happy Earth Day and see you next time.